How many arms an octopus has? Answer 8. Next, fastest flying bird is? Answer peregrine falcon, 390 km per hour. Next, the arms of the octopus are called? Answer tentacles. Next, the largest bird alive is the? Answer ostrich. Next, the smallest bird alive is the? Answer hummingbird. Next, an animal doctor is called a veterinarian. Next, the word langur means? Answer long-tailed. Next, a group of cats are called a? Answer clutter. Next, a group of snakes are called a? Answer den. Next, a group of lions is called a? Answer pride. Next, albatross is a large? Answer seabird. Next, a small fish having a head like that of a horse is known as? Answer seahorse. Next, African donkey with black and white stripes is called a? Answer zebra. Next, the largest kangaroo in the world is the? Answer red kangaroo. Next, the only mammal that can fly is the? Answer bat. Next, the fish which is known as the king of fishes is the? Answer shark. Next, the world's largest aquarium is the? Answer Sydney Aquarium. Next, the tallest living animal is the? Answer giraffe. Next, the largest living animal is the? Answer blue whale. Next, the continent which is known as the land of kangaroo is? Answer Australia. Next, the country in which yak is found is? Answer Tibet. Next, the country in which kiwi is found is? Answer New Zealand. Next, the wildlife sanctuary where we find Asiatic lion is the? Answer Gir forest. Next, a two-humped camel is called? Answer Bacteria camel. Next, the fastest land animal is the? Answer cheetah. Next, the largest land animal is the? Answer African bush elephant. Next, rat snakes are found in? Answer Southeast Asia. Next, the largest flying mammal is the? Answer bats. Next, the world's largest deer is the? Answer Alaskan moose. Next, the bird which has the largest wingspan is the? Answer albatross. Next, a squirrel home is called a? Answer dray. Next, a female ass is called as? Answer Jenny. Next, the number of bones in the giraffe's neck is? Answer 7. Next, a fox's tail is called a? Answer brush. Next, how many teeth a turtle has? Answer 8. Next, the first animal to go into space was? Answer dog. Next, Project Tiger was launched in India in the year? Answer 1972. Next, penguins are found in the? Answer South Pole. Next, the largest Indian deer is the? Answer Shambhar. Next, the whale's nostrils are situated on the? Answer top of its head. Next, how many arms a giant squid has? Answer 10. Next, elephant fish are found in? Answer tropical Africa. Next, the insect which has the largest population on earth is the? Answer wasp. Next, snow leopards are found in? Answer Himalayas. Next, how many teeth a horse has? Answer 40. Next, The oldest domestic cat on record lives for how many years? Answer 36. Next, Ranganthitu Bird Sanctuary is located near. Answer Mysore. Next, a camel can remain without water for. Answer 30 days. Next, the largest member of the cat family is the. Answer tiger. Next, the cat which is commonly used in the hunting game is the. Answer cheetah. Next, the smallest dog on earth is the. Answer chihuahua. Next, the number of teeth a fox has is. Answer 42. Next, an animal which is dumb is the. Answer giraffe. Next, the size of a newly born kangaroo is. Answer 2.5 cm. Next, the organ which is missing in the camel is the. Answer gallbladder. Next, red panda is also known as the. Answer cat bear. Next, goldfish originally belongs to. Answer China. Next, the only ape found in India is the. Answer Hulox gibbon. Next, the diet of a gorilla is purely. Answer vegetarian. Next, the animal known as the river horse is the. Answer hippopotamus. Next, the largest known frog is the. Answer ora. Next, the largest of all lizards is the. Answer Komodo dragon. Next, a group of eagles are called a. Answer convocation. Next, a group of quail are called a. Answer bevy. Next, a group of fish are called a. Answer shoal. Next, a group of sheep are called a. Answer flock. Next, a group of owls are called a. Answer pack. Next, a group of cattle are called a. Answer herd. Next, a group of gorillas are called a. Answer band. Next, the female of a stag are called a. Answer hind. Next, the young of an elephant is called a. Answer calf. Next, the young one of a goat is called a. Answer kid. Next, the fastest moving insect in the world is the. Answer tropical cockroach. Next, the giant stick insect is found in. Answer Indonesia. Next, a group of owls are called a. Answer pack.